In this video today, I am going to show you that how easily and without using any software, how can you create a printable month calendar for any month with your favorite wisdom quote. First of all, go to relicsworld.com. This is a website with thousands of wisdom quotes with hundreds and hundreds of authors and categories. As of now, there are 102,004 quotes, 102,004 quote images, and 6,120,240 printable PDF month calendars. Select your favorite author or the category to browse quotes and then select your favorite quote. Scroll down to find one of your favorite quotes. You can see many options there. Click on the quote's image to go to the detail page of the quote. On the detail page, you can see a large image with quote text and the author's name and picture. You can find many options to share this quote on social media platforms. Scroll down and you will find 4 buttons to print this quote for different things. Click the button that says Month Calendar with this quote. This will take you to the page to create your online month calendar with this particular quote. This page shows that there are 3 steps to create the monthly calendar. Step number 1 is to choose a template. Step number 2 is to search and select a quote. In this case, you have already selected your quote, and step number 3 is to download the PDF month calendar. On this page, you can see a list of 12 different month calendar templates. You can select one of these templates that you like most by clicking the Select this template button. This will take you down the page to the step number 2 section. In this section, you can see the quote that you have already selected. Down there is an option to select the month for which you want to create your calendar. Select the month you like and then press click here to download the PDF calendar button. This will get you your monthly calendar with the quote in PDF format. This is a high-quality PDF that you can print on any resolution. You can print it from here or download this PDF to your computer. There is another way to get your monthly calendar. Go to the Printed menu on the top and select Print Month Calendars with Quotes in Beautiful Designs option. This will take you to the same page with the month calendar template. Scroll down to the page and select your favorite calendar template design. Then, in the search option, type in a keyword that you want to get a quote for. This will search through the quotes database and get you a list of quotes. Select your favorite quote from the list, and then from the month drop-down below, select the month that you want to get your calendar for, and press the Click here to download PDF calendar button. This will get you the calendar with your quote in PDF printable format. You can either print it from this window or download it on your computer or mobile to be used any other time. You can play around to select different quotes and choosing different templates to create a calendar for you. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel to get notified of all the upcoming exciting videos with a lot more informational and exciting things. The PDF output for the month calendar is really very high quality. You can zoom in any part of it and see that the images used here are high quality vectors that will give you a great printing experience. This is how simple it is to create your monthly calendar by following just 3 simple steps. As you can see, you do not need to use any software or designing skills to do this. If you still have any questions, write them in the comments section below. Thank you for your time to watch the video. If you have enjoyed our efforts to create this video, then please do like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.